What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, when I talk about a lot of positions, most people want to know when they're going to be able to become wealthy, right? And nobody knows 100% when you're going to become wealthy, except when you know it's going to get to a certain price. So for a position where it's like we know it's going to get to a level of $1 and it's currently at 90 cents. We know that it's going to get to that level, right? It's so close to that level. We know that we have a lot of upside within the markets, and we know pretty much for sure. It's like a 99% chance that we're going to see that happen. When we see things like that, that's the only time we can really guarantee that something is going to happen, or you may get to a certain price. But with all of the predictions that we have with XRP that's out there, of XRP to $30,000, XRP to 10,000 or 1,000 or 100 or 200 or whatever, all of these different predictions that we have out there, nothing is 100%. They all depend on so many other things happening. And one big selling point is the fact that the SEC and Ripple are going to come to an ultimate settlement to where we now get clarity and we see Ripple that utilizes XRP in a large way. With that use that comes with it, comes just a lot of open doors and a lot of new investors and new eyeballs and attention and all of that. Um, all of this is dependent on this one thing to happen. And then after that, it's dependent on this other thing to happen because of that reaction. And then this other thing to happen because of that reaction. And it's like a chain reaction to create more and more attention, more and more belief, more and more, firepower when it comes to buying the position and owning it and holding it and doing everything with it, right? Um, so when I saw this article that talked about how to become a millionaire from XRP at $1.50, that's kind of like a guaranteed price that it's going to get to, in my opinion, right? Nothing is 100% guaranteed, but it's definitely up there in the percentage, right? It's like 99%, probably 99.9% that you believe it's going to get to $1.50. So with that being said, how much do you need to honestly hold to have that guaranteed status? And that's what we're going to do. We're going to go through that in this video so that you, with your position, because I guarantee that anybody that's watching this is one guarantee, I guarantee that anybody watching this does not have as much as you need in order to become a millionaire at those levels. So let's go ahead and talk about this. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about my links for Margex and Patreon and all of that. If you guys want to trade XRP at up to a 50x leverage, you can utilize Margex to do so. It honestly is a great platform. I've used it so much and I love it, right? But let's talk about XRP. Let's go into the position and where it stands. Honestly, everything in the market is sort of down. We see Bitcoin, Ethereum, a lot of things that are down. XRP is one of the outsiders. XRP currently stands at 63 cents, which again, me holding 100,000, we're looking at $63,226.31. Every cent that this goes up, I gain another $1,000, which is fantastic. Every 10 cent, I gain another $10,000. And I love that. I would love to honestly own more if I bought it at a much lower level before it broke out the first time, when it was at, a percentage of a penny, or it was at like just 1 cent or 5 cents or whatever. I would love to own a million. And that would get me to an amazing level right now, honestly, instead of $63,000, I would be at $630,000 if I was able to buy at those points. However, I wasn't. So shoulda, coulda, woulda. But currently, we're looking at a $35.3 billion market cap with about $2 billion worth of volume here. And we're also seeing it very close to the 56% of total supply that's in circulation. So that's great to see. But the only thing that's up today, or one of the only things that's kind of notable right now, is XRP, that's up about 6% on the day. Did get all the way up to 63 cents before decreasing down to 61, and then now back up to 63. We're going to see if this can break through. It really all depends on the hype. And typically when you see something that pushes a lot further, the opposite of the market, it plays catch up to the market eventually. But the reason why we're here is really to talk about this journey to $1.50. And not only the journey to $1.50, because we know it's going to get there just based on looking at the previous all-time high of $4. we're going to see this get to $1.50. But this article, how to be a millionaire when XRP hits $1.50. Ripple token seems to be following the largest market rebound, rallying 0.9% in the daily charts, 13%, 13.7% in 14-day charts, and 28.2% over the previous month. The latest market recovery is likely due to Bitcoin inching closer to the $70,000 mark. BTC rally, that's honestly, if we're looking at overall market, yes. If we're looking at XRP, it's more about the speculation on the conclusion of that case. On the other hand, it is likely due to Donald Trump making bullish comments on the original cryptocurrency at the 2024 Bitcoin conference. There is some speculation that Trump might start a Bitcoin reserve policy if he comes to office. To have $1 million worth of XRP at $1.50 per coin, you need about 666,666.66 coins. The price of 666,666 and 66 cents or 66 XRP right now is about $400,000. If XRP hits 1.5 cents, your investment would have grown by almost 150%. The question now becomes, when will XRP hit $1.50? That's honestly not the question. But let's continue with this, and then we'll talk about what the real question is. One of the most significant barriers to XRP's price is the ongoing lawsuit between the SEC and Ripple. The SEC sued the fintech company in December 2020 for alleged sales of unregistered securities. XRP's price has faced significant headwind after the SEC suit. While other assets were hitting all-time highs during the 2021 bull run, XRP failed to do so, likely due to SEC versus Ripple lawsuit. Now, that's not the main question when it comes to hitting $1.50 and kind of you being a millionaire. It's like, is that reality? That's the question, right? Is 666,666.66 XRP a reality to most or anyone, honestly? No, it's not. If you have a lot of money, then yes, that is reality to you. But would you be willing to just take that risk with 666,666.66 XRP at that moment if you have that much money? Most likely not. Most people that have that much money to spare are putting it into more consistent investments. And XRP honestly has been consistent. It's just they're not looking for speculative investments. And if I had that much money, of course, I would put that all there. But I have various places to where I am putting my money. So even me right now, you could see that I'm not putting all of my eggs into that one basket. So if you have that much money, you must have a lot of money elsewhere in order to kind of throw this money into another place or all by itself. So is that a reality? No, that's not a reality. So yes, you would need 666,666.66 XRP in order to have $1 million at a level of $1 or be a millionaire at $1.50. But we all know that XRP is going to go a lot further. So that's the kind of guarantee and what you need to look at, having that much. And that is 6 times what I have. And I consider myself a significant holder, but that's 6 times what I have. And there are some people out there that invest in the beginning that see this level of growth, and maybe they took some profit, maybe they didn't, but they're sitting on kind of a gold mine there. So XRP, we know, will be worth a lot more than just $1.50. But if you were looking for what is that level, that line in the sand to become a millionaire, it would have to be $1.50. It would have to be $1, honestly. If you own 1 million coins at $1, you have $1 million. However, you wouldn't have it after taxes. If you bought 1 million coins right now, your taxes might not be crazy high in how much you're taking out. But if you bought it while it was at, like, say it would cost you $10,000 and you made $1 million off of it, of course, all of that is gains or are gains. And at that point, it would be long-term gains, so it would be less. So I guess that does make sense at that level. But either way, the point is, the guaranteed amount is the $1.50 mark, 66,666.66. Now, when I talk about guaranteed amount, when I talk about the levels that I believe is going to hit, I believe a $10 to $20 level is definitely easily feasible. And that's why I have 100,000, because a $10 price point gives me $1,000,000. A $20 price point gives me $2,000,000. So it makes me feel great about what I am holding, because I know that we're looking to gain a lot quicker, so that we can sit on the rest of it for as long as we feel like we need to sit on it for, forever if we need to. So I just wanted to put that in front of you and see what you guys had to say. Is that just ridiculous to even come out and talk about news like any one of us can afford to spend $400,000 on XRP, on that much XRP? No, we don't have that much money, right? And if we did, we damn sure would be, kind of distributing it in different ways. Even though we believe in XRP, we believe in XRP to where the standard person can make $1,000,000 off of this growth. So why would we go, okay, you know what? We need 6 times the amount that I have. We need $400,000 right now in order to get to that point. Honestly, it would be a little bit more with a price increase. But anyways, guys, let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.